In this video, we are going to see how we can email a Google Docs directly from this application without even downloading it. And it is a pretty straightforward process here, guys. All you have to do is just click on the file menu and click on the email option and click on email this file. At this point, you can also enable send the copy to yourself, and you want to add the email that you want to send. Just enter that person. Make sure it's a correct email. You can also write the subject of the email and the body of the email. It's your choice if you want to include this content in the email, within the email like this, or you want to attach it as a PDF file or Microsoft Word file. So it completely depends on your preference. How do you want to email the other person? Click on send, and there you go, guys. That is how you can email a Google Doc directly from Google Docs. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.